Welcome to Crypto Tech Views. Every day we are reviewing Bitcoin price in multiple time frames and in multiple trading systems. And also we are making an educated price prediction for the next 24 hours after analyzing the global markets data and Bitcoin options open interest data. Let us begin the video for today. We are seeing three charts in front of us. First is 1 hourly, second is 4 hourly, and third is a daily chart. All three of them are Bitcoin. So yesterday we could clearly called out that Bitcoin is going to trade around 38,000. I was also clearly telling 39,000 will be the resistance and 37,000 will be the support. It was not just told based on just numbers, but we looked into it multiple data and including the Bitcoin options open interest data and gave this call. And that's exactly played out for today. It was not crossing 39,000 too far away and it did not fell below 37,000. In fact, the whole day it was trading around 38,000. So if you could see in the 4 hourly, it just touched the 50 period moving average and then went down. Now it is taking another support from the 50 period moving average from 1 hourly and pumped up actually. So from the daily chart, so it doesn't look very encouraging. So there is one more candle should come here. Only then it may try to go up, but otherwise this candle will fizzle out and then it may face a selling pressure following the global chaos. So we will look into everything one by one. So let's first look into the Camarilla pivot points. So um, as we said yesterday, it was trading a whole day. It was trading around 38,000 only. But the one point to note here down is that it was try. It made an attempt to cross above this pivot point of this peak, but it is unable to hold that level, and it went down. So if it can cross this R3 level, then we can expect a slight bullishness. But doesn't look like the global markets will allow Bitcoin to settle down because global markets facing a little bit of a pressure that is reflecting in Bitcoin as well. So if we could see the Fibonacci retracement level, so we can clearly trade only using this, right? So see how it is played out very clearly. It went up to 38.2% retracement level. Yeah, and made a slight retracement and again retested this 38.2% retracement level. Once this is holding, once it started holding, it went and straight away reviewed 50% retracement level. Now it's unable to cross above this 50% retracement level, and the 50% retracement level is acting as a small resistance for now. So um, what we are seeing is that based on this particular price action, we can clearly see that it may trade around the same range even for tomorrow. So it doesn't look like, here it got a couple of supports and here it got one resistance. Maybe it will, try to go, go above here. If it is not, it will come back and consolidate around here. But I'm not seeing a huge downfall coming from here. Bitcoin is trying to, be a little bit resilient when compared to the global markets. But let's see, whether it will it will continue to be more resilient further. Um, against the global market actually. So let's see the Fibonacci series EMA ribbon. So this EMA ribbon starts from 8 and goes up to 233. So we have been clearly telling that as long as 233 is holding comfortably, there will not be any rally. That's what I have been telling from the last week, and yeah, that's have happened. Couple of times it took a resistance around 89 EMA. Now it is trading around 55 EMA, so it's unable to cross. So even if it is coming, this 89 should offer a little bit of resistance. Only if it can hold and it can go up, but doesn't look like it will go up all the way down, all the way up to 233. So let's wait and watch. So if you could see this, my anchored VWAP, this is one of my favorite indicators. So this is previous swing lows anchored VWAP, and this is previous swing highs anchored VWAP, and plotted down together. And I have been telling for the last whole week that as long as Bitcoin is comfortably trading above this particular VWAP, it won't prepare for any kind of rally. So both these VWAP have to be crossed, and then it has to consolidate for some more time, and it should prove to the market participants that it can sustain this level. Only then it will start preparing to go up. right? So till then, market participants are very well aware that it's not unable to cross above these two VWAP, and then the more it is coming towards this VWAP, they'll try to sell it actually. So every good height or every rally is getting sold out. So till it is trading below this particular two three these two VWAPs, every rise can be sold out actually. So that's how market participants are playing at the moment, especially the big whales, the big traders are playing in the same way, right? So if you could see there's trend line in the 4 hourly, so there's this trend line has offered really good support couple of times, and it looks like it offered us it did not go up to this level, but approximately it went to this level and took support, but it reached now this particular trend line. So uh, at least for it not to fall, it has to comfortably stay around this level actually. It has to cross above this. Now at the moment it is trying to it hit, and one time it fell. This 4 hourly candle went down. This candle again trying to sustain, but if it should come out of the support band and then stay here for some more time, at least then it would be more resilient for the global markets fall actually, right? If it is not happening, it can start bleeding around this level, but this particular trend line is expected to offer even more support. Yeah, let's watch it. So from the weekly time frame point of view, so this is 5 consecutive candles all went into red actually. So it is 5 weeks of continuous selling that has been happening. So for this week, looks like it is showing green at the moment. It managed to show green at the moment. So but we will wait and watch whether this green can sustain, right? So but the RSI is trading well below 50 and a little above 40, and ADX is trading well below signal line. These two signifies that the Bitcoin is in the sideways move for the weekly time frame, right? So for the global market front, this is US 30, this is S&P 500, this is Nasdaq, right? So Nasdaq has just opened, so looks like things are not in positive mode for Nasdaq. As I have clearly called out yesterday, it closed the day's low for the previous peak. Actually, last Friday, it closed at day's low, and this candle doesn't look encouraging at all. That's what I have been telling in my previous video, and that's this bearish sentiment. Even now it is continuing. So today it just now open, market got open, and it went up to immediately it broke the previous day's low, and then it went a little bit down. So let's wait and watch how it's going to close the day, right? So closing the day is very important. Then the closing day is very important. So we will keep watching the closing actually, right? So from the US 30 and US 500 level, it will almost a replica of not a replica. There's a little bit better variation of the Nasdaq technology stocks, but still this is also struggling to trade comfortably in a green. So this is both are putting a red candle for today, and still have 7 more hours left for this candle to close. So let's wait and watch how it's going to play out, whether this will become a green, or it's going to go with the red, or it's going to go sideways. All we will we need to keep watching, because Bitcoin is trading at the crucial support level, right? So if you could see the Bitcoin options open interest data for 3rd May, right? This is what we are seeing. So 39,000 has a strong resistance, and 38,000 is considerably a good support. 37,000 strong support, right? So this signifies that it may trend to trade between 38,000 to 39,000 actually, right? Even if it is falling harder, then 37,000 should offer a strong support. You know what? The 5 minutes candle itself can move 2,000 points in Bitcoin, right? So if that is the case, right? So if you are not informed about this information, like if you try to trade, then you may not have a little confidence in your approach actually. So by referring to all these data and then doing all this multi time frame analysis, you will get more confidence while trading, right? That's all for the video today. Thanks all for watching. See you all in the next video. Please comment and subscribe. Thank you.